ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan post MA bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course ye ke jingte bakam benya kol ha kini ke number harum shibenta ke jing rakhi ye ke sngi ada Mariang leni ke blatip kum ke World Environment Day hakan road trip mentau benai juliu arajar pusau ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ke penlong ya ke ni ke jing rakhi Haka School Jawahar Navodalaya Vidyalaya kemudian Haka Shnong Mau Plang East Khasi Hills District. Kajing temu halor kajing le penlong ya kani kajing rakhi haka ni school kebala kampaji na kasor Shillong kolong ban yalab ban penrung haka jingmut jing perkhat jogi khenna ki bapuli haka ni school ban yadai ke meram au kajing penjot u Bynriew haka babon kilyang ke buan rapat kajing Jingkylla haka jinglong jingman ke Mariang kajing penjakliai ki wa bagi telong kajing penjakliai ke saudong saukun bagi kajing penjulor ki lom bagi klau ki betam kumta namar bagi ni school ke danru hakashnong mau plang ke danru ya kalau kentang jong ke hima mau plang kelong kum ke nuksa ke besyai kedar ya kini ki kena ban pet nuksa kumno ban penne pensa ya kajing thau jong trai nong bu nong thau wat lakim de ki bedan Jingim hagani ke jing rakhi hagani ke sngi u commissioner and secretary jong ke sarkar jilla Ubakmiru ia ketenat Forest and Environment Uprovin Baksi IES ulalong kumukongsan ringkat ke jingadan ke officer jangka chairman jangka MSP CB UR Naina Malai IFS member secretary Dr GH Charmang MFS ke principal jangka ni school ke Dr Nilam Sharma ulingdo jangka himamau plang uba CA lingdo bat kiwede ki kendram ki lendan bat lapenya ye ke jingalang du environmental engineer ke MSP CB uba SM Hadian ke jingalang hapo saudong kendro jangka ni school lepin buat pat se ke jinga thung dieng blalam khmat du kongsan bat ha ke ni sngi ringka ki khenna la thung dieng haplau jangka ni school hadu lais patan rai
Indigenous knowledge is the best knowledge in the world. So what should grow here, what kind of plants are best, this is indigenous knowledge. So you should learn from Mr. Lingdo and his team. It has been passed on from generation to generation by word of mouth. If you go and ask your father and grandfather, they will not be able to take out a big book of secrets from their locker and give to you, their son. Just have a look in these pages, and it is full of secrets, what kind of trees and plants grow. It is traditional knowledge which grandfather has given to father, father has given to son, son will give to his or her own son or daughter. So this is something which is very valuable, and I'm sure that all of you will be taking a pledge and all of you will be doing your part, and you will save water, you will save your soil, you will save your trees, you will do what it needs to be done starting from today. Yes or no? No, starting from yesterday. So for the time lost, you plant 2 trees. One for yesterday and one for today. Thank you so much. I wish all of you all the very best.